Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is on. Next, grab your iPhone and make sure it's unlocked and running the latest software version. A good quality USB cable is essential for a stable connection, so have one ready. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, let's make the physical connection. Locate the USB port in your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, usually found in the center console or dashboard. Plug one end of your USB cable into this port, then connect the other end directly to your iPhone. Your vehicle's infotainment screen should soon display a prompt or an icon indicating that Apple CarPlay is ready to be activated. Once prompted, tap the Apple CarPlay option on your Mitsubishi's touchscreen display. Your iPhone might then ask you to grant certain permissions for CarPlay to access your data, like contacts and location. Simply follow the on-screen instructions on your phone to allow these. After a brief moment, the familiar Apple CarPlay interface will seamlessly appear on your vehicle's display. With Apple CarPlay now active, you can easily access your favorite apps for navigation, music, and messaging directly from your car's display. Utilize Siri for hands-free voice commands to make calls, send texts, or get directions, keeping your focus on the road. Remember, some newer Eclipse Cross models may offer wireless CarPlay connectivity after the initial wired setup, providing even greater convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.